Hello all of you. Today the marketing software channel returns. Share with everyone about a software. Please help me scan all like lists of a Facebook post. For example, today I will choose any Facebook post. I go to the Facebook page, enter a keyword. For example, I choose the keyword Zakira. Let me find any article. For example, it is this article. This is a post in this group. First, I will need to get the ID of the article. The software can scan likes of any individual post, fan page, or group post. Then I used a software tool, that is data marketing software. I go to the section to scan article information. Select the article interactive scanning section. Enter that article ID number here. The post just now had 84 likes, right? Press start to start. Everyone please wait a moment. It only takes about 10 to 15 seconds. It will scan all like lists. Everyone watch this. It returns results of people who like this. The first is the personal ID sequence, fish name and Facebook link. I can export it to an Excel file to save information easily. Save the Excel file under the name like this Facebook. Open this Facebook like Excel file. Everyone will watch together. It has all the data. Personal Facebook account ID, personal Facebook name, and finally this personal Facebook link. These are the parameters I need. Everyone. And this is the software to scan data and export it to an Excel file. Software is licensed for 1 year or lifetime. If you are interested in using it, please contact me with my information below the YouTube video. I will support registration and copyright purchase. Thank you everyone for watching the entire video. See you again in the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.